A project is a temporary endeavor with a clear start and end, designed to achieve a specific goal with unique output or outcome. In this episode of S&P Knowledge Series, let's discuss on the topic 10 Ps of Project Management, Copyright, authored by S.N. Panigrahi. Certified PMP, Authorized Training Partner, ATP, Instructor, PMI USA, Fellow Institution of Engineers, IE, Chartered Engineer, Certified Lean Six Sigma Black Belt, Certified Lead Auditor IMS Z and Lean Consultant, GST and International Business and Projects Consultant, Corporate Trainer, Mentor and Author. Life Member Indian Society for Training and Development, ISTD, Life Member and Ex-National Council Member, IIMM, Member PMI, USA, and Associate Member Global PMO, Special Invitee Board of Studies Symbiosis Center of Distance Learning. We shall discuss the 10 Ps of project management with specific reference to implementing agile concepts in the construction industry. Before proceeding with the subject, let's understand what is project and project management. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken designed to achieve a specific goal to create a unique product, service, or result, with defined start and end points. Project management involves applying knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet project requirements, ensuring objectives are achieved within scope, time, cost, and quality constraints. It encompasses planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, and budgeting project-related activities. Now, let's discuss on the topic 10 Ps of Project Management, Copyright, authored by S.N. Panigrahi. Here's a detailed explanation of the 10 Ps of Project Management, using the example of implementing agile concepts and practices in the construction industry. 1. Problem and perception. This is the project initiation phase that involves recognizing needs and opportunities. Every project commences with identifying a problem or opportunity, issue or challenge and a thorough assessment of the needs involved. A comprehensive understanding of the current situation, alongside the perceptions and viewpoints of stakeholders, is vital. Clearly defining the problem ensures everyone involved is aligned and resources are directed towards the right solution. It is crucial to understand how stakeholders perceive the problem and their expectations for its resolution. This helps tailor the project approach and fosters buy-in from key players. This process encompasses conducting needs assessments through workshops and surveys to gather insights from project managers, site supervisors, and other stakeholders. Understanding prevailing issues and their perceptions. Gathering pertinent information. Performing gap analysis. Collecting stakeholder feedback. Example: a construction company identifying key pain points such as delays, communication breakdowns, and inflexibility in handling changes in traditional project management practices. Stakeholders recognized the need for a more adaptable approach that can respond swiftly to changes, improve performance, and enhance efficiency. 2. Purpose and proposal. In this stage, project purpose and value propositions are defined. Articulating the project's purpose clarifies its overall objective and desired outcome. This provides a clear direction and motivates the team towards achieving the project goals. A well-defined proposal outlines the project's scope, timeline, budget, and resources required. This serves as the roadmap for execution and helps secure necessary approvals. Develop a compelling proposal that outlines the project's goals and the benefits it will deliver. This involves articulating the project's objectives, aligning these objectives with broader strategic goals, drafting a formal project proposal. Example: The objective is to implement agile practices to enhance project flexibility and efficiency. The proposal entails a gradual transition from traditional methods to agile in specific areas, detailing expected benefits such as iterative improvements, accelerated project completion, and heightened stakeholder satisfaction. This includes drafting a proposal that outlines the objectives, scope, benefits, and high-level plan for adopting agile practices in construction projects. 3. Profitability and practicality. Here in this phase, we develop a business case, justifying why we want the project and the benefits of the project by conducting a feasibility study and cost-benefit analysis. Evaluating the project's potential financial return or other tangible benefits is essential. This helps assess its viability and ensures resources are allocated efficiently. Assessing the feasibility of the project's execution is crucial. This involves considering available resources, technical constraints, and potential risks to ensure a realistic and achievable plan. Undertake a comprehensive feasibility study and assess whether the project can be realistically implemented within the available resources and constraints. This process includes evaluating financial viability, performing cost-benefit analysis, conducting technical and business feasibility studies, ensuring the project's practicality and sustainability. Example, conducting detailed cost-benefit analysis and feasibility studies to evaluate the financial and practical aspects of agile implementation, justifying that agile practices can significantly reduce project delays and risks, resulting in substantial cost savings. Feasibility studies confirm that agile methodologies can be effectively integrated into certain phases of the construction process, provided that appropriate training and tools are implemented. This proposal may lead to the decision to proceed with the project. 4. Prioritization and permission. This involves prioritization and alignment, ensuring strategic fit and commitment that authorize the project. Determine the project's priority within the broader organizational objectives, ensuring alignment with strategic goals. This helps allocate resources effectively and ensures the project receives the necessary attention. Clearly communicate the project's value proposition and its potential impact and benefits to stakeholders. This fosters buy-in and motivates everyone involved to contribute to its success. Allocate necessary resources after formally getting approval of the project proposal and authorizing to initiate the project. Example, prioritize the integration of agile practices in critical areas such as project scheduling and communication. Develop a prioritized list of tasks and commitments to key stakeholders, ensuring focus on areas with the highest impact. Get approval of the proposal by senior management, setting the stage for detailed planning and execution with commitments that include training key personnel and piloting agile methodologies on a major project to showcase its value and effectiveness. 5. Planning and projection. This phase is to create a detailed project plan and forecasting timelines, costs, and resource requirements. Develop a comprehensive project plan that outlines the scope, timelines, milestones, tasks, dependencies, budget, resources, and risks. A well-defined plan provides a roadmap for execution and facilitates progress monitoring. Make realistic projections to ensure success. It is crucial to anticipate potential challenges and risks. This enables the development of proactive mitigation strategies and contingency plans to keep the project on track. Example, break the project into smaller phases or sprints, allowing for regular reassessment and adaptation. Adapt project requirements based on stakeholder input and evolving needs. Create a comprehensive plan for the agile implementation, including phases such as training, piloting, and full-scale deployment in certain areas. The plan includes timelines, resource allocation, and a risk management strategy. Embrace change and allow for scope adjustments wherever possible as new information and challenges arise. Use a backlog of tasks and prioritize them based on value and urgency. Focus on delivering incremental improvements and prototypes regularly. The outcome, an iterative project plan that guides the execution of agile practices implementation. 6. People and partnership. This involves forming the project team and establishing essential partnerships. Assembling a skilled and motivated project team, fostering collaboration and clear communication channels. Establish strong partnerships with key stakeholders. Selecting team members with the requisite skills and expertise is crucial. Building a cohesive team that collaborates effectively is key to the project's success. Effectively engaging stakeholders and external partners ensures that everyone involved is informed, engaged, and contributing to the project's objectives. Example: form a team with expertise in agile methodologies and construction project management that includes project managers, site supervisors, agile coaches, and external consultants. Establish strong partnerships with key stakeholders like agile training providers and software vendors to ensure seamless communication and alignment with project goals. Foster a collaborative environment with cross-functional teams including architects, engineers, and contractors. 7. Promotion and persuasion. This involves effectively communicating the project's benefits and securing stakeholder buy-in. Develop a robust communication plan, engage stakeholders, and promote the project's value. Communication plan: create a detailed plan to inform stakeholders about project progress, milestones, and value. Use persuasive communication to address concerns and generate enthusiasm. Transparency and trust: regularly update stakeholders on the project's progress, challenges, and achievements. This fosters transparency, builds trust, and ensures continued support. Advocacy and support: advocate for the project's value by addressing any concerns or resistance from stakeholders. This helps maintain buy-in and secures the necessary resources and support for the project's success. Example: develop a communication strategy to keep stakeholders informed about the agile implementation's progress, highlight milestones, and emphasize the value being delivered. Hold regular meetings, daily stand-ups, sprint reviews to ensure continuous communication and feedback. Use regular updates and feedback sessions to address concerns and maintain strong stakeholder engagement and support. Developing a communication plan to promote the benefits of agile, such as increased flexibility and efficiency. Conducting workshops and presentations to persuade stakeholders and gain their support. 8. Process and progression. Define the project's processes and ensure steady progression. This involves choosing the most effective project management methodology, example, Agile, Waterfall, to guide execution. Establishing clear and efficient processes for tracking progress and ensuring continuous improvement. This includes defining workflows, communication protocols, and decision-making procedures. Regularly monitor progress and measure performance against the project plan. Make timely adjustments and course corrections to keep the project on track. Example: implement agile methodologies for execution with defined workflows and communication protocols. Regularly review progress and adapt strategies as necessary to ensure continuous improvement and project success. Adopt Scrum methodology for construction projects, with regular sprints and daily stand-up meetings to track progress and address issues promptly. Continuous improvement is encouraged through retrospective meetings. 9. Performance evaluation and product delivery. That means evaluating performance and delivering the final product. Key activities include: ensure deliverables meet quality standards, conduct performance testing, measure success against key performance indicators (KPIs), evaluate the project's overall performance against its goals and objectives. This helps identify areas for improvement and informs future project management practices. Focus on delivering a high-quality product or service that aligns with project objectives and stakeholder expectations. Monitor performance against established metrics. This requires meticulous attention to detail and continuous quality control. Example: successfully implement agile practices in a construction project, delivering it on time and within budget. Implement quality checks and testing within each iteration, sprint, to ensure standards are met. Evaluate performance through metrics such as project completion time, cost savings, and stakeholder satisfaction. Conduct a product presentation to showcase the successful implementation of agile practices. Ensure a smooth transition by providing ongoing support and training. 10. Project phase-out and presentation. This involves presenting the completed project and ensuring a seamless transition and ongoing support. Key activities are: final project presentation, post-implementation review, providing ongoing support, documenting lessons learned. Formally close out the project, documenting lessons learned, and ensuring a smooth transition to long-term operations. Provide ongoing support and monitor the project's impact to ensure sustained success. Conduct retrospective meetings to review what went well and identify areas for improvement. Example: conduct a final presentation to stakeholders, establish a support team for the new system, and hold a review meeting to capture lessons learned for future projects. Adapting agile to construction can lead to increased flexibility, improved communication, and higher client satisfaction. While a complete shift to agile methodologies in the construction industry may not be feasible due to the high costs associated with frequent changes in scope and design, a hybrid approach can be highly effective. In the early stages of a project, where the scope is not well defined, agile practices can be employed. This includes collecting and defining scope, engaging stakeholders, and iteratively developing and adjusting plans based on real-time data and feedback. For the remainder of the project, traditional waterfall methods can be used to ensure stability and predictability. This hybrid approach leverages the flexibility of agile where needed while maintaining the structure of traditional methodologies for overall project success. By meticulously considering and executing each of these 10 Ps, project managers can significantly increase their chances of successfully guiding a project from its initial inception to a rewarding completion.
Do you find the presentation informative and useful? If yes, then click like and also subscribe the channel for free to receive updates. Thank you. For more details contact SN Panigrahi at the below contact details.